In Carnatic music, there are 7 musical notes. These 7 musical notes are called as Saptaswaras. They are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da and Ni. These Saptaswaras also have their names. Sa, Shadjam, Re, Rishabham, Ga, Gandharam, Ma, Madhyamam, Pa, Panchamam, Da, Daivatam, Ni, Nishadam. It is said that these Saptaswaras have originated from the sounds of birds and animals. The swaras Sa and Pa are called as Prakriti swaras. Sa Shadjam Mayuro Vadati Re Gavasturushabhabhashinaha Ga Javidantu Gandharam Ma Kraunchakhvanati Madhyamam Pa Pushpasadharane Kalepikah Kujati Panchamam Da Daivatam Heshate Vaji Ni Nishadam Brahmate Gajaha Sa